Royal was founded on a dream to design and build the best cooking equipment possible. Upgrade your kitchen today with Royal products so you can put more time into what makes up your dream menu. Royal, engineered for excellence. Introducing the Royal REEF-35 Series Fryer. The REEF-35 Series Fryer is the only standard efficiency fryer available today, which will recover to cooking temperature in under 10 seconds and ensures peak performance during busy mealtime. The REEF-35 has a unique heat and recovery system, allowing the fryer to recover to cooking temperature in less time than it takes to dump, load, and drop the next load of product. The REEF-35 is 54.4% efficient compared to the standard fryer, which is only about 35% efficient. The REEF comes standard with a stainless steel tank and a total input of 72,000 BTU per hour. The energy savings could be up to $600 a year. The REEF has the same 60 pound per hour production capacity as many of the 35% efficient fryers. The REEF has a fully insulated tank which reduces the number of times the fryer cycles on and off, thus alleviating the thermal stress on the fryer tank. The REEF comes standard with all stainless steel front and sides. The thermostat and high limit switch are located up front for easy access if service is ever needed. The fry tank is designed to allow the fry baskets to sit lower in the oil, ensuring the products cook evenly. The REEF-35 is available with a built-in fryer filter system for up to 5 fryers. For information on the fryer filter systems, please see the video on our website. The Royal REEF-35 Series Fryer, engineered for excellence. For further information regarding the REEF-35 Series Fryer, please contact Royal Customer Service at 951-360-1600 or email us at customerservice@royalranges.com.